All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So national. National. To be of a country. Yes. This is a national park. Yes. This, or those are the national dishes. Do you like the national anthem? Or what do you think to the national dress? National dress. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Those are the national themes and colours. Themes, the colours, the styles. Yeah. We have all sorts of national anything. National cultures, people, food, and stories. Yeah. That used to be a national park, but not anymore. It used to be a national park, but now it is privately owned. Yeah. Today is the National Day of Celebration. So, once a year, there are national holidays where specific things are remembered. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, so we could then say, we think that tomorrow could be the National Day of Mourning. Yes, sometime in the future there will be a National Day of anything. Celebration. Yeah. We are looking for the national anything. Anthem, story, book, national anything. We're looking for the entrance to the National Museum. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? The entrance to the National Museum. Not just any museum, but the museum of and owned by the nation. Yeah, how cool is that? So, can you use national in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.